Hello, welcome to my channel Saladi. Today I will start a new topic about a new feature in Java 8. What is this new feature? It's about default method. So, before version Java 1.8 until 1.7, what we can put in interface? We can put only abstract method. Okay? It's important. We can put a concrete method, method with definition or with implementation. So, it's very important to know this. And also, what we can put we can put a variable that is static final, public static final. Okay? Just we can put inside interface until version of Java 1.7. In version 1.8, there is this new feature. We can add a new concrete method, and this is default method. Okay, so we can implement a new method directly on the implementation, but we can define the data of the method in the interface. That is the default method. Now, how to declare default method in the interface, inside the interface? Just like this. There is my interface, and to add default method, I will just add the keyword default. Default, void, get message, for example. After this, I will open curly braces and I will put my implementation. For example, system out.println, this is default method. Okay? It's so simple like this. You can put also any number that you want. There's no restriction about this. I have talked about this when I started the course. Now, maybe you ask also this question. This default method, can I change it when I implement, when I create class that implement this interface or no? Yes. Yes. You have the choice here. You can use the default method that is defined in interface with custom implementation or implementation, default implementation, or you can override this default method to create your own implementation or your custom implementation. Just like this. For example, you have my class that implement my interface, and in a public static void main, I create an instance of my class, and now when I call c.getMessage, I got default method, the implementation of default method. This is default method. Now, if I put override the method getMessage inside my class, I can do it. For example, I put public void getMessage, open curly braces. I put system.println. This is a custom default method. Here, when I call c.getMessage, I got the message. This is the custom default method. Okay? So you have the choice. You have really the choice to choose to use the default method that exists in the interface that we have defined or implement, or to override it to create your own customization about this default method. Okay, so let's see now in the computer these two examples. How to add a default method. First one, after I create a class, like this, just something like this, to see what we got. And the second thing is to override this default method to see the result when we make this. Okay, so let's go. So here is the example. I create my interface with default method that is getMessage. Okay, now in my class, I will run this example without overriding. It's the first example, okay? Only to use default method. So here what I get, simple, I got this is default method. Okay? Now I will override the default method And here, when I execute this code, I will get this message. Okay? So now, as you can see, when I run this code, just clean and repeat. As you can see, I have my custom default method. It is so simple like this. So you have here in the interface, you define your default method, or you can put another one. You have another default method, no problem like this. Okay? You have the choice. Now you will ask me this question. It's automatically, if you are a Java developer. What is the difference between interface that contain default method and abstract class? Because in abstract class we can put an abstract method, sorry, and also concrete method, method with the active implementation. I will ask this question in next topic, and I tell you directly, there is always difference between them. Okay, there is at this moment there is always the difference between them. An abstract class isn't same with interface that contain default method. So see you in next video to talk about this topic. And I repeat, what is default method? It is an implementation to create a method in interface with implementation directly. And we can do this before Java 1.8. Okay? And to create default method, you just need to add the keyword default after you put your our method, and you put number what you want of default method. So see you in next video, brothers and sisters, to see the difference between abstract class and interface that contain default method. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.